Hi and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we've got the brand new Flexvolt circular saw, the brand new hammer drill, and also the brand new Flexvolt Advantage reciprocating saw.
We're gonna put the DCD999 to the test against the classic DCD996. I'm Zane.
And I'm Matt.
You're watching CIB TV.
Hi and welcome to another episode of CIB TV, where we would normally on a regular basis review machines.
A few months ago, you would have seen us launch the DCG409, which was the first of the DEWALT FLEXVOLT Advantage range. This month we received the Recip Saw as well as the circular saw. But we've also just received the new top of the range DEWALT Combi hammer drill.
On that note, why don't we take a look at the DCD999. So here with me I've got the brand new DCD999, a machine with both character and attitude. The character part of it, the machine looks like a gentleman in a suit that when presented to someone, it's got some seriousness to it. Talking about attitude is when you pair it with a 6 amp hour Flexvolt battery. The DCD999 comes with an 18 volt brushless motor that produces 160 Newton meters of torque when paired with a 6 amp hour Flexvolt battery and 125 Newton meters of torque when paired with a 9 amp hour Flexvolt battery. That is where the attitude comes in. A bigger battery, more power. One of the features that you'll also find on the DCD999 is the 11 torque settings. That also features a hammer mode. Completing the motor assembly is a full metal 13mm chuck. The DCD999 features an improved LED light that is 20 times brighter than previous. This LED light can be used in 3 modes: dim, bright, and the torch feature. So let us see what you get when you buy the DCD999. In the box you'll find the brand new DCD999, the extra long handle, the DCB116 charger, and one 54 volt Flexvolt battery.
So the big question on everyone's mind is the DCD999 that much better than the 996? So let's have a look at them and see what are the differences. First off, in terms of size, they're pretty much identical. Both are the same length and they both have the same compact design. Both machines weigh in at 1.6 kilograms without the battery. The 996 is normally sold with an 18 volt battery. With that battery fitted, it will weigh in at 2.2 kilograms. The 999 is sold standard with the 54 volt battery, so it will weigh in at 2.7 kilograms. The DCD996 has a maximum output torque of 95 Newton meters. DEWALT has rated the 999 to push out 160 Newton meters when fitted with a 54 volt 6 amp hour battery, and it can go up to 126 Newton meters when fitted with a 54 volt 9 amp hour battery. There are some other design changes as well. The 999 is supplied with the extra long handle to handle that extra torque, whereas the 996 comes with the standard handle. And then of course, as Matthew mentioned, the 999 has got a new and improved, much brighter LED light at the base. So testing these two models is not as straightforward as it seems. Why? Well, we can't really test an 18 volt machine against a 54 volt machine. It wouldn't be a fair comparison. So what we've done we've tested the 996 with an 18 volt battery and the 999 with an 18 volt battery to use that as a baseline. And then we've also run the same tests again, both using them on 54 volt batteries. Looking at the results, in actually all of the tests, the 999 was faster. Even when fitted with an 18 volt battery, it outperformed the 996 with an 18 volt battery. And of course, in terms of speed, the 999 with the 6 amp hour battery was faster in all of the tests. The one test that stood out the most was the concrete drilling. We were drilling with an 8mm bit into solid concrete. In that test, you could feel that the DCD999 was quicker and easier through the material.
The DCD999 is a true game changer, hosting an array of new technology in a machine of this kind.
We've been using the 996 for so long and we've always been really impressed with it. So we really wanted to see, is this machine that much stronger? And from the test results, we're confident that they've built a more powerful machine. But for me, what I'm most impressed about is the fact that they've designed a more powerful machine that's exactly the same size and weight as its predecessor. That means they're really increasing the power to weight ratio.
The Flexvolt Advantage range hosts 4 machines, and this machine will be the right machine to start off to build your Flexvolt Advantage package. Here with me, I've got the brand new Flexvolt Advantage DCS573. A machine that features an 18 volt brushless motor, spinning a 190mm blade at 5,500 RPMs, cutting through wood like butter. The maximum depth of cut on the DCS573 is 67mm at a 90-degree angle, and at a 45-degree angle, your maximum depth of cut is 51mm. One of the features that I like on the DCS573 is the brake feature that stops the blade immediately when you let go of the switch. The other feature that I like on this machine is the LED light that shines a bright light on the workspace. Being part of the Flexvolt Advantage range, using this machine with a Flexvolt battery, it'll give you up to 77% more power, cutting through wood like butter.
Lastly, with me I've got the brand new Flexvolt Advantage DCS386 Reciprocating Saw. This machine is lightweight and powerful and will make light work of any demolition job you're working on. It's got a 18 volt brushless motor which is powerful enough to deliver 3000 strokes per minute with a stroke length of 28.6 millimeters. That will enable you to do cuts in wood up to 300 millimeters. When we tested this cutting through a log, it made light work of a very big job. Let me tell you about some of the features that I like on this machine. Firstly, it's got the keyless blade change lever, so changing your blade is really quick and easy. It's also got a variable speed switch, and DEWALT has added a very bright LED light to the front of the machine. Recip saws can be dangerous tools, so when you're changing the blade, make sure you press in the lock button on the switch, take the battery out, then simply lift up the lever, place the blade in and make sure it's secure in place, and release the lever. The DCS386 is sold as a bare unit. You do get the deeper T-stack carry case with it when you buy it. And remember, this machine is compatible with 18 and 54 volt batteries. Anyone doing demolition where speed is critical in tearing down those materials, this machine is ideal.
So we've previewed, we've reviewed, we've played around with the tools, so now it's time for you to leave a comment.
Thanks to everyone who's been supporting our channel, and we definitely do read the comments and take you guys' feedback into account in trying to improve how we test and review all these tools. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.